Top 5 Best Hen and Rabbit Houses, luxurious hen house that will make your life better. The 5 Best Hen and Rabbit Houses. You don't necessarily have to be a farmer to keep chickens or other small animals on your property. One of these hen houses will shelter your fowl from inclement weather and provide protection from prowling animals, like foxes, raccoons and coyotes. Most of these structures also feature nesting boxes to facilitate egg laying, a small run for exercise, and perches for sleep and relaxation. When users buy our independently chosen editorial choices, we may earn commissions to help fund the review parks. Best belay devices. Best belay devices for climbing rock walls. Number 1 Pets Fit 2-story rabbit. Number 2 Large metal chicken coop. Crazy sale. Number 3 Paw Hut 2 levels wooden rabbit. Number 4 Chicken coop with run 55 ft²